This is the video to show you how to use the Filmic Firstlight Pro app. This app is very useful for taking photograph using manual settings on your phone. As you there are many functions and many applications of this app. At first, let me go to settings. In settings, you can see that you can change the picture format. You can even take raw photos. Then there is the timer, there is flash, there is the aspect ratio. You can also change the aspect ratio. There is location tagging, burst mode if you want to take multiple photos at once. Then the histogram, if you don't want to see the histogram information, you can also disable that. To focus on a subject, you can just tap it, and then to lock the focus, you can just double tap it. You can swipe up and down to change the exposure. You can swipe left and right for focus. Then on the right end, on the left end, you can see that there is a button called AE. This is now in auto mode, but if I swipe up, if I swipe up just once, now it will go into ISO priority mode. So you can change the ISO manually. Then if I swipe up again, then it will go to shutter speed priority mode. In here you can change the shutter speed and the ISO will automatically change. Then you can also apply filters. Here are some filters. For example, if you want to take a picture of a subject with bokeh, you can do it like this. Just swipe right until everything becomes defocused, then double tap on the subject and take the photo. Now you can see that everything in the back is in defocus, but your subject is in focus. So I think this is a very good app which we can use for taking photos using manual settings in our phone. I'm using an older phone, so my phone only has one lens, but if your phone have multiple lens, you can also use other lens. This is the option to change it. So that's it. Thank you.